There you go. A little birdie.
Here we have a case of Mr. DePhillips, the bird whisperer. Bird is obsessed with my husband. It's a girl bird, I bet. She better back off.
They kept calling the barbecue grill. It just flew.
There you go.
Is it eating it?
He's pecking at it. Okay. Where are you going, Mr. Bird? I hope he poops. Just kidding. I hope he does not poop.
Is he really crawling like that?
Yeah, he's on your head. He was just pecking at your head. I think you should stand straight up now and see what he does. If that bird comes anywhere near me, he's in trouble. So there I was. I was just trying to light a barbecue to make a little dinner, and craziest thing happened.
I think he's not going to get any better. I think he's got to...
No, he's eyeing out my belly.
Here, buddy. Come here, buddy. He's like my little dog. Come here, bro. Here. See it? Look how nice that thing was. How nice that thing was. Are you my little buddy?
Where did he get the berries from?
I don't know. They grow this time of year, and they eat them, and the birds go nuts.
The red ones?
Yeah, they're like hallucinogens. They get drunk.
So basically what you're saying is
I'm its mother.
this bird is hanging out with you right now because he ate some trippy berries and he's freaking all just...
I just got a pet.
Guess what we're having for dinner, Mr. Bird? Chicken. That's right. We're having chicken. A distant relative of yours. You know what? This camera is not picking up like how pretty the clouds are behind you, and it makes me really sad. Give him a kiss, Bird. He likes... He did! He pooped on you!
Did he?
Oh, a big poop, too.
How big?
Oh, no, he didn't. He didn't know poops.
You sure? Check the back out.
Oh, no, he did. Just a little...
Oh, he pooped on me. He pooped on me, buddy.
Do it again. That's
I think
good
he's
luck.
doing it right there.
Hello.
Isn't that so funny?
Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker?
Hey, Boomer.
Polly want a cracker? Where you going? Yeah, I'm pretty much over this right now, though.
That's okay. I gotta find some place to get the birds. Do you have a box?
Just shoo him off and light the barbecue. We'll eat him too.
Here, well, no. Hey, boom.
I'm just kidding. I sound like the meanest person in the world. Hi, Bird.
You gonna follow it?
Where are you going?
I think you need to come into mom.
Well, I don't know. I don't want it to come start. I'm not the bird whisperer. That's you.
This bird really likes me. I really think it thinks I'm its mom. It's the only explanation, baby. I came out here to do. Close the screen door.
Mommy's done. See you later. I'm Pal. I'm not a bird whisperer. Why are you gonna house them on the...
Come on, Boober.
Phoebe, just let him go. There's bread